Hello everyone. After successfully conducting the 2-day PLAB preparatory course across India, on popular demand from students, we are coming up with PLAB 1 1-week-long coaching program in Bangalore. The tutors are coming from UK to train and to guide you on PLAB preparation and answer all your queries on career prospects and work culture in UK. We see many students who travel all the way to UK for their PLAB 1 coaching and going through hassles on visa, air ticketing, accommodation and so on. So we are bringing you the best of UK right here in India for all the PLAB aspirants. So the course details is put across on the screens now. Do not miss this opportunity. Register right now to be a part of this. Thank you.